Hello. In this new Excel tutorial, I will show you how to write Roman numbers 1 to 100 like a pro. So for this, you need to press is equal to, type Roman, open the bracket, select the column and close the bracket and hit enter. And after that, through fill handle, drag it to the 100. And here you can see that all Roman numbers are inserted from 1 to 100. And if you don't have the counting columns, then what you have to do is equal to, type Roman function, open the bracket, use sequence function, open the bracket and mention the number, close the bracket and again close the bracket to complete the formula and hit enter. And here you can see the 100 numbers is inserted in a quick way. And if you think this video is helpful to you, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.